What are the downsides to wealthsimple? Have you ever heard of wealthsimple? It's a popular online investing platform that's been gaining a lot of attention lately. But what are the downsides to using wealthsimple? In this video, we're going to take a look at the pros and cons of wealthsimple. We'll discuss the things that people love about wealthsimple, as well as the things that some people have found to be problematic. Pros of wealthsimple. Easy to use. Wealthsimple is very easy to use, even for people who are new to investing. The platform has a clean and intuitive interface, and there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. Low fees. Wealthsimple has low fees, which makes it a great option for people who are looking to save money on their investments. No minimum investment. There is no minimum investment required to use wealthsimple, which makes it accessible to everyone. Variety of investment options. Wealthsimple offers a variety of investment options, including ETFs, stocks, and bonds. This gives you a lot of flexibility in choosing how to invest your money. Tax-efficient investing. Wealthsimple offers tax-efficient investing strategies, which can help you save money on your taxes. Cons of wealthsimple. Limited investment options. While wealthsimple offers a variety of investment options, it doesn't have as many options as some other platforms. No phone support. Wealthsimple doesn't offer phone support, which can be frustrating for some people. Limited customer service hours. Wealthsimple's customer service hours are limited, which can also be frustrating for some people. Not suitable for everyone. Wealthsimple is not suitable for everyone. If you are a sophisticated investor who wants more control over your investments, wealthsimple may not be the right choice for you. Wealthsimple is a great option for people who are looking for an easy-to-use, low-cost investing platform. However, it may not be the best choice for everyone. If you are a sophisticated investor who wants more control over your investments, you may want to consider another platform. If you're interested in learning more about wealthsimple, please check out the following resources. Wealthsimple website, https://my.wealthsimpler.com/app/login. Wealthsimple YouTube channel, https://www.youtube.com/c/wealthsimpler/videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope this helps.